Wanting man fatally shot in Kingston. Hi again and welcome. This is Links7 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. If it's the first time you're watching, please remember just to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Click that notification bell and click on all so you're always updated with the latest report. We'll be right back after the break with the details. Welcome to Links7 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links7 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for Links7 TV News Report. 25-year-old Shane Williams was fatally shot during a confrontation with members of the Jamaica Defense Force along Oxford Street in Kingston on Thursday, May 20. Police said that he was wanted in connection with a murder and shooting along North Street, which happened on March 16. He was also listed as a person of interest in two other cases of shooting along Oxford Street in Kingston in April of this year. Reports are that about 6:25 p.m., members of the Jamaica Defense Force were on duty at Oxford Street and Baton Street at a checkpoint when two armed men drove up and opened fire at them. The men then opened fire indiscriminately at residents on Oxford Street. The soldiers returned the fire and Williams was shot. Two other persons, including a baby, were also found suffering from gunshot wounds when the shooting subsided. All three persons were taken to hospital, where Williams was pronounced dead and the other two admitted for treatment. The matter was later reported to the Independent Commission of Investigations in the COM. The police investigation continues into the shooting. This has been Links7 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.